Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves, and today we're going to be walking through a 2024 Intrigue 27 by Premier. So this will be a 27-foot long pontoon boat. Will be the standard 8.6 wide, so you will have plenty of docks to be able to fit this boat in. Here in the bow, you will have an extra wide front door. We do have a filler cushion that I have stashed over here behind us, but you will be able to fill this front end to make a U-shaped seating. Underneath the seats, you have ample storage, and between your cup holders right here, you do have some wireless charging mats. So you put your phone flat, and it will charge through that. You'll have some additional ones up underneath the seats as well. Here on the floor, you have a very large in-floor tune storage, so you will have tons of space to put your inner tubes. You can put pool noodles, floats, fenders, fender lines, everything under there to keep all of your seat bases open. Here is your bow filler cushion. We have it stashed kind of on the side entrance door right next to your trash can. So you do have access to a trash can on board without having to tell someone to get up. Co-captain's chairs, so you will have two oversized lounge chairs. These will be reclining, swivel, and have built-in bolsters. Here at the helm, you will have a wonderfully equipped helm. Very nice digital switches, some nice paneling here for your stereo. You have up and down, changing modes, screen on, and then change your settings. Very large SIMRAD, kill switch. This boat is rated for 20 people, so you can have up to 20 people as long as you have life jackets for everybody and a couple throwable devices. You will have the standard bimini. This is going to be the oversized bimini with power option, the raised helm, and then again back here, some very wonderful loungers. Same USBs and in-charge phone holders on between the cup holders underneath the floor. And then back here, you have access to your very powerful Mercury 400 horsepower outboard. We'd love to talk to you about this Premier and some of the other ones that you can see behind me. So give us a call today. My name is Quinn, and we'd love to set up your appointment.